Brianna J here with a video on the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection, and I'm so excited to do this video because Too Faced surprised me and they sent me this entire collection. But when I got the package, I was excited and I was looking for just the palette, but then I opened it up and it had all of these wonderful products. So thank you so much to you all. You all are so kind and generous for sending me all of these products. So you already know I had to do a video and play with this makeup. So today I'll be using all of the products. I'm going to try on everything and then I will give you all my final thoughts at the end of the video. This collection has a good amount of pieces in it. It's not too big and it's not too small. I feel like there's something here for everybody. The focal point of this collection, I believe, is the eyeshadow palette. So here's the packaging for the palette. It is the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette. On the back of the packaging, it says that this palette has 16 ultra luxe shades of vivid glitters, creamy mattes, opulent shimmers, and precious pearls that can be layered in infinite ways to mimic the multifaceted beauty of real diamonds. So here's the palette. Super cute, right? And it has like a padded top to it, so it really reminds you of like a jewelry box. So when you open up the palette, it has a mirror here, and then, so I don't blind you all, or try not to, here are the eyeshadows. As you can see, there's a mix of finishes in here. There are shimmers, there's mattes, and then they have actual pressed glitters. So this palette can be used for a variety of looks. You can use it for daytime looks, you can use it for nighttime looks, but this palette retails for $49. I am going to go ahead and insert swatches of this palette. And then they launched 3 different highlighters. I have all 3. Here's the box for Fancy Pink Diamond, Canary Diamond, and Diamond Fire. So all 3 of the boxes are different colors to reflect the colors of the highlighters. The description for these highlighters says that this is a one-of-a-kind highlighter that is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls to create a rainbow diamond fire glow like you've never seen. But are these not the cutest things? They really look like jewelry boxes, like a box to hold a ring in. Like, will you marry me? He went to Jared's. They're so cute, right? Like, these are so cute. This one is Diamond Fire, and this one is like an opalescent type color. It almost looks white in the pan, but then when you swatch it, it definitely does not look like that. And then Fancy Pink Diamonds. This one is a lightish pink color. It has a little bit of a golden base to it, so it is going to show up a little bit more tan on my complexion and not as white. And then we have Canary Diamonds, which is the darkest color, and this one is also duochromed. It's like rose gold and gold at the same time. These retail for $34 each, and I'm going to go ahead and insert swatches of these as well. They also launched a brush to go with these highlighters. You can fit this brush right in that highlighted area, like. They also have 6 lip glosses which are launching soon. These are coming out on December 9th. And these are called Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkle Lip Glosses. It says, sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this high shine gloss that brings dimension to lips with an innovative, cushiony, and comfortable texture enriched with natural oils. It says this unique blend of light reflecting glitters and pearls offers the ultimate rich effect. And these each retail for $21, and I'm going to insert swatches of these. They also threw in a Better Than Sex mascara that is customized with a little bit of bling. If you guys are Better Than Sex mascara fans, I think that you should grab this because it's super cute, because they added jewels to the mascara. So this is the regular formula, but it's shiny and it's pretty. And they also threw this mask in my package. This is the Glow Job mask, which I don't think that this is a part of the collection, so they're a little naughty with it. The Glow Job mask. So really quickly, I'm going to let you guys know when all of these products are going to be launched. So on 11/29, the palette, highlighters, and brush are available on TooFaced.com. So those are already available. And then on 12/2, it's going to be available at Sephora.com and Ulta.com. On 12/9, the Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss and Better Than Sex and Diamonds Mascara will be available on TooFaced.com. And those items will be available on Sephora and Ulta.com on 12/12. And then on 12/26, the full collection will be available in stores at Sephora and Ulta locations. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial using all of these products, and then I am going to try on each thing individually. You'll see me try on all the highlighters, you'll see me try on all the lip glosses, and then of course you're going to see me create this eye look with the palette. So let's go ahead and get into it. Enjoy! So let's start off with the eyes. So I'm first going to take the color It's Designer. I am going to set all over my eyelid with this. This is a Tom Ford number 11 brush. You don't need a lot of that, just enough to set your concealer or your eyeshadow base. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and let's go into the transition color. And I'm going to take the color It's Cashmere. And I'm going to take that right in my crease. Oh my goodness, this is very pigmented. Showing up really pretty. Going on very smooth. I love a caramel brown like this. That gives me that nice blend. I'm next going to dip into the color Fancy That. And I'm going to take the same brush, make sure to tap it, moving down ever so slightly directly in my crease. I'm going to apply this color. So back and forth, let's deposit it. This color is more neutral, cool toned in the undertone. So I want it to give me more so like the appearance of a shadow. So I'm essentially contouring my eye. And I'm going to dip into the color, Oh, That's Rich. And I'm going to take this right on the outer corner and build this color up and then blend it up into the crease. But I'm not going to take it all the way across the crease. I'm just going to keep it concentrated pretty much on the outer crease. And then whatever is left over on the brush, start to bring it into the inner crease. But not all the way. We don't want to make this super smoky. So essentially, you're creating a C on the lid. And that's where you're depositing the majority of the color. And as you all can see, the end is a little naked here. Just start filling that in. So that's really going to help us with the blended look. So just focus on depositing this color. So this is what we're looking for as the main basis of the look. So make sure that this is really blended. Spend some time blending out those edges. That way everything looks seamless. So now let's work on our lid. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is a MAC 242 brush. I'm going to dip into the color Princess Cut. I'm going to move over. I'm not going to take this on my inner corner. I do want to put one of those glitters there, but leave some space, and then I'm going to apply this like as the main color on the lid. So just take your time building up this color. I think this is one of those colors where I might have to like get the first layer off and then work it on. So I just scraped it a little bit, like the top layer, and now it's going on more pigmented. Same brush, I'm going to take the color Highly Selective. And I am going to take this right next to that color, blend it next to the color that we applied on the lid, and also blend it next to our outer crease color. Kind of blend it on the line of that color. That way it's not a harsh line. So I'm going to take a little small tiny synthetic brush. This is a MAC 211 brush, and I'm going to dip into one of those glitters. Let's go into Diamonds for Breakfast. I'm going to begin trying to apply this. Okay, so this is like a gel. So I'm not using any additional adhesive with it. When I'm digging into it, it moves. It's going on by itself with no glitter glue. I think I picked up a good amount of it on this brush. So I'm just going to take my time and merge these two colors together. New findings. I realized I like my 242 brush better to pack on the glitter because the other brush is so small that it's basically creating gaps in the glitter, and this just packs it on and makes it opaque. It gives me a more even application. All I'm doing is just taking this glitter and bringing it around that bridge in my eye and kind of bringing it upwards here. But just packing the color on here, blending it over, and then blending that glitter up. And this is definitely going to take you about 3 minutes to just get this glitter to be fully opaque like how this eye looks. So just be patient with it. I'm glad I remembered about this mascara. I actually am going to open it and use it. This, I believe, is the same mascara as the regular Better Than Sex mascara. Before I finish my eyes, I want to try on some highlighter because I like to clean up my under eye with concealer first and set it and then do the rest of my lower lash line. But since I want to try on all the highlighters, I just think that area is going to get messed up, so I think it's better to do it this way. So I'm going to first go in with Fancy Pink Diamond. They sent me this brush. Taking this brush, getting in there, and let's pop that here. That actually looks really pretty on me. I didn't expect to like it, but it looks a bit golden pink, so it's very subtle. I'm just building it up. That actually is really pretty on my complexion. I think The goldness in it makes it not look as white as I thought it was going to look. So now I'm going to try on Diamond Fire on this side. So this one's like more opalescent. It's coming off almost blue. Okay. This one is bluish, but I can see myself wearing it again. I like it with this look. I don't wear highlighters like this that often. They're not really like skin tone colors, but it'll be fun to have like when you're going out and you want your makeup to look a little bit different. So now I'm going to try on the one that I think I'm going to like the most, and that is Canary Diamond. Yep, this one's my favorite. This one actually seems like it's more opaque too. Beautiful. So now let me clean up this area for real. I'll be back and we can finish off the eye look, and then we'll try on the lip glosses. Okay, now let's finish off the lower lash line. I had to put on my bronzer and highlight and blush. This is a Royal & Langnickel BOM 50 brush. I am going to take the color Clutch Your Pearls. Let's put that on the lower inner corner. And taking the same brush, I'm going to take this color along the rest of the lash line. Set the jewel tone. So carefully place that on the lower lash line and make sure to connect it to the top. But this is the look that we're going for, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so now let's try on the glosses. So I'm first going to try on All the Stars. Ooh. So here's this color. It's almost like a purpley pink with a little bit of blue shimmer to it. It has almost like a whitish base. Next, let's try on Sunset Crush. This is going to be the one that I'm going to wear. But I like this color. It has like that corally base to it. It has pink glitters in it. And it has a gold reflectiveness to it. So I like this color. I can wear this by itself, or again, I can layer it. I think this one is a little bit more glossy. The other one is more glittery. So the glitter particles in the other lip gloss were a little bit more gritty. Next, let's try on Raising the Roof. Okay, this one is really pretty. It kind of gives me like a pinky nudish type color. Every time when I feel like I've decided on which of the glosses I'm going to wear for this video, I pick another one. I think I want to wear this one with this look. But the other two really go with the look as well, so I can't choose. But this one is really pretty. This one complements my skin tone all the way, so I don't feel like I need to wear this in a lip combination. I don't feel like I need a lip liner. If I wanted to have a little bit more structure in my lips, then I would do one, but it looks good by itself. And again, I think this one is glossy. Next, let's try on Social Butterfly. This is a cute, like My Lips But Better type color. It's coral and it's golden, so it's something that I can throw on and keep in my purse. I like this color. I feel like it complements my complexion, and I like the different flecks of glitter that I see in it. Next, we have Pretty Penny. So I like this color, but I would definitely use this as a topper. This color has a little bit of a larger chunk of glitter in it. I do feel the glitter particles, but I think it's pretty. But the formulation of this lip gloss is a little bit thinner than the other ones, I feel. So I think this one will be prettier in a combination. And the last color that I have is 401k. I still think this color is fun and pretty, and I still would rock it. I would even rock it with my look if I wanted to do a more intense type makeup look. But this is really pretty. It's like holographic almost, pink to purple to a little bit of blue. So my final thoughts on this collection are that I think that it's really pretty. I think any piece from this collection will make a great gift to anyone during the holiday season because the presentation is so cute. Like, I love the way this eyeshadow palette looks. Everything looks so cute and girly and dainty and like mean girlish. The mattes in this palette blended out so nicely. The shimmers in this eyeshadow palette, I will say that they are not super opaque. You are going to have to use their glitter glue or either use some Fix Plus or some sort of other hydration to make them pop. If you enjoy a more sheer shimmer, then this will be right up your alley because the colors in here are actually pretty wearable, and then there's a few pops of color. So this palette will transition pretty well from day to night. The glitters in this palette have a bit of a learning curve. Just know that you are going to have to take a second to pack them on, but once you pack them on, they are beautiful. I did not have to use a glitter glue. You could use a glitter glue because it'll give it that extra tacky base and allow it to adhere that much better. I think that it's fun to have stuff like this in a palette. This palette is pretty thick, so I wouldn't worry about them breaking so easily. Plus, it's not just like a straight glitter, it's almost like a glitter gelée. So it's almost like putty-like, so it has an adhesive already built in it. I like it. I think this palette is really pretty. I can see myself doing a lot of different looks with it. And look at this. It's a display piece. Cute. I think these highlighters are also packaged really pretty. I love how it looks like a jewelry case. My absolute favorite one is this one. This one is Canary Diamond. I have that one on now. I feel like this one pops and it complements my skin tone the most. I feel like a variety of complexions can wear this color, like deeper complexions. I think this will really pop on your complexion. And it has like that really pretty duochromeness to it. I like these two as well, but they're a little bit lighter. Fancy Pink Diamond actually works better on my complexion than I anticipated it to. It looks really pretty, but it is light, so if you're a lighter complexion, I think that will be better suited for you. And then Diamond Fire, again, the formulation of it is nice, but if you're into like bluish, purplish, different color unicorn type highlighters, then I think you'll like this one because it has that shift to it. It's almost opalescent. As far as the lip glosses, I really enjoy this formula. I don't think all of these lip glosses are formulated the same though. Some of them have chunkier glitter bits and you can feel that glitter on your lips, which I don't mind that, especially if the glitter is just really blingy. Some of the lip glosses have glitter that's a little bit more finely milled. So of these, my favorites are Raising the Roof, which is what I have on now with MAC Oak Lip Liner. And my next favorite one is Sunset Crush because it's multi-dimensional and it's light. I like a lighter gloss. I know some people like darker glosses, but I enjoy the lighter ones. I feel like this one looks really pretty on my complexion. This is one that does have the chunkier glitter, so just know you are going to feel a little bit of grit, but this will look so bomb in a nude lipstick combination because it'll make it pop and it'll stand out. On top of that, I'm here for the collection. I think that it's really cute, and again, if you're looking for something to give somebody as a gift, I think that this collection is really pretty and it'll be a really nice gift to open up, and it's visually appealing. So let me know if you're interested in this collection down in the comments section. If you have not already, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all in my very next one. Smooches. Bye.